2017 Subaru WRX. So an issue I have here is something about a vacuum leak maybe, or I'm not really quite sure. Ever since I changed the blow valve, the stock OEM blow valve to an aftermarket one, it's been giving me this problem. The check engine light came out. I have the cruise control light just blinking, and well, it turns off on me. It cuts off on me every time I make a stop at a red light or a stop sign. I would have to mess with the clutch in order for it not to cut off when I'm coming to a near stop. And as you saw right now from a cold start, after a couple of minutes, maybe I'll say 2 to 3 minutes, it'll drop idle, and then it'll go back to the idle position that I was on, like 2000 RPMs. And then after it hits temperature, running temperature, it will just start dropping slowly, and I wouldn't have that issue anymore where the RPM comes up again. It'll just stay normal unless I'm driving and I hit a red light or I have to make a stop. The car would drop RPMs, and then it will shut off. Yeah, and that's basically on every stop or every red light, and it gets annoying, you know. So today I have a replacement. The replacement I'm gonna replace for the aftermarket blow valve. I'm gonna take the aftermarket blow valve off and put the stock one back on, and see if the check engine light comes off. And if it does, I'm just gonna leave the stock one on. If it doesn't, I might put the aftermarket one back on, just because I love the sound of it. The stock one really, it doesn't make any sound, and it doesn't make any difference in horsepower if you have the stock or the aftermarket one. So either way, I don't know, it depends on how it goes. But I'll keep you guys tuned. I'll make another video right now after I finish taking off the aftermarket blow valve, before I install the stock one. And please, if you guys have any information that could help me out on this 2017 WRX, please feel free to comment or hit me back up. I would like to get this issue resolved, but I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing. There's only one way to find out, right?